Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to S Online. Directorate of Ordnance, Coordination and Service release a notification for those candidates who are eligible can apply. How can you see? You have to type ddpd.gov.in and go to the vacancies page, vacancies vertical, where you can see title for this important notification. Here it is mentioned application for engagement of graduate project engineer / diploma project engineer on tenure basis of Chanda. You can see this important notification uploaded by the Chanda Ordnance Factory. Here all the details are mentioned and you have to send this important application by envelope. So be with us. Let's see how can you apply. Here detailed post and basic pay and vacancies are mentioned. Name of the post, basic pay, vacancies according to their category. Total number of vacancies 15 for tenure based project engineer chemical trade supervisory level and 15 for tenure based project engineer or mechanical trade supervisory level. Okay, according to their category also mentioned here. Essential qualification for mechanical trade, graduate BE or BTech or diploma in mechanical engineering and apprenticeship in the manufacturing or handling of ammunition and explosives. And second post, that is chemical trade, graduate BE or BTech or diploma in chemical engineering and also required apprenticeship in the manufacturing or handling of ammunition and explosives, or apprenticeship in chemical other than manufacturing, handling of ammunition and explosives. BSc graduate with chemistry as one of the major subject also required. Apprenticeship in manufacturing and handling of ammunition and explosive also required. Those candidates, their age is below 30 years. Okay, if they are unreserved, if they are belonging to unreserved category, general category, notification, they have to fill this important application. Okay, and as per the government norms, relaxation is also mentioned here. SC/ST 5 years, OBC non-creamy layer 3 years, PWBD 10, 15 and 13 years according to their relaxation. SC/ST and OBC. For ex-servicemen 3 years for their rendered of service. And if you want to fill this application, then you have to go through this PDF where you can download this PDF and fill these details. Okay, you have to download this PDF and fill your all details: post applied for, name in block letters, gender, father's name, date of birth, age, nationality, category and whatever here mentioned. Okay, at first you have to know how can you apply. Here it is mentioned. Candidates are required to download or print the application form and fill the same in block letters. And a candidate must go through detailed terms and conditions, also check regularly with the official website. Okay, the envelope must be clearly superscripted as application for the post of graduate project engineer or diploma project engineer on tenure basis. Application along with other necessary documents and one extra photograph, name and date of birth should be written on the back side of photograph are to be forwarded by post to the Chief General Manager, Ordnance Factory Chanda, a unit of Munition India Limited, District Chandrapur, MS PIN 442501. Closing date 21 days from the date of publication of advertisement. Here it is mentioned. Closing date 18/4/2026 to 30/4/2026. That means you have to send your all documents with the application form between this important date, where in this address. Okay, Chief General Manager, Ordnance Factory Chanda. So this is an important notification for you all. If you want to download this PDF, and if you want to fill this form, then go through this important website. Website is ddpd.gov.in. Okay, and one another vacancy is released by the Chanda Factory, Chanda Ordnance Factory. Ordnance Factory Chanda application are invited for the post of tenure-based danger building worker 18/4/2026 to 30/4/2026. You can also fill your application and send all your correspondent details, your educational details, and whatever is mentioned in the application form between this important date. Here, this form is also available. Skilled unreserved 162, OBC 108, SC 60, ST 30, and EWS 40. Okay, qualification is also mentioned here, and this is the pro forma of application form. Okay, this is the pro forma of application form. You can download this PDF and send it to this address. So, this is the important notification for you all released by the Chanda Ordnance Factory. We will meet in another video. So, tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.